What's up, YouTube? I'm doing another video of my semi-automatic 110cc reverse trike lawnmower. I did redo the rims. They got the silver lip with the black inside. Same for the back. Silver lip with the black inside. I did a cover right there. I put in a CD deck. Woo-hoo. I got the push start button. I did install. I'm using my tablet, well, Galaxy Player, and ran the audio wire down to the radio. I mean, so far I put in some work on this thing. Looks good. I got to cut the bolt off the wheels. I had to put in some new ones, but I redone the paint job. Did a gray with the change color in it, whatever you want to call it. Right now, I'm excited. I'm excited. But she look good. She sound good. I'm going to let you hear in a minute. We'll do a nice little walk around. I recovered the box. I don't know if I like it or not. I bought some stainless steel vinyl roll, and I done it with that. It came out alright, but I'm not a big fan of it. But I'm going to leave it for right now. I mean, I got a couple other colors. I'm going to do a seat forward to match it. In reality, the truth is, I ain't spent no money on this thing. Everything been straight trade for parts or made my own parts. I mean, she's sick. She's sick. I ain't seen nobody out there do it. I'm gonna let you hear the music real quick. I ain't gonna talk a hole in your head, cause I'm always ready. Cut her up. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. Well, that was power. Cut the power off. I can go back. I can, do that right there. I want you to see the little light flashing from tweets. You see it? From the club to the telly, you know how it is. Most of these chicks, I never tell them we're in. Sound good. Got a little boom to it. Y'all can't hear that. All y'all hear is tweets. That's my man Jimmy right there. I'm trying to see the paint on it. But overall, she looking good. Looking good, sounding good. She go way louder than that. But I don't want her to go loud and distort. I can cut it up a little bit more. See the color changing? Check it out. Full speed left lane. It's me against the world. M.O.B. up in my vein. With another nigga girl. Getting loaded, give me brain. Hit the bitch about the drawers. You ain't gotta spin no game. Lights flash. When I'm dipping on the grind, I get my money quick. But sometimes I wanna lay up with my honey dip. Sounding good. Sounding good, looking good. Everybody making the same crap. Come on, make something different. Throw something at me like this is different. Oh. See that? I want to get it all in one pick. There we go right there. Alright, I'm out, YouTube.